What's going on, guys? Cody with Import Image Racing here, and today, in light of our new Black Friday discovery that ISR is going to be 5% off, we are going to be doing a quick little unboxing for you of the VQ header. So this is going to work for your 350Z, your 370Z, your G35, all those cars with the VQ engine. And we're going to go over a few quick details about it and just kind of take a look at it. So on Black Friday, these are going to be 5% off all the ISR products behind me. And we are also going to be offering additional discounts if you purchase more than one ISR product. So if you and your buddies get together and make an order for 5 exhausts, we can save you a little bit more money. Maybe if you order the headers and a cat back, we can save you some money there as well. So if you have multiple items, don't order them on the website. Contact our sales team and we'll put together like a bundled deal for you. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up so we can get a better look. Alright guys and girls, I know we love the sound of our VQ35 engines. They sound crisp, they sound beautiful, but they're just not loud enough in the factory. So we have our ISR headers for the VQ35 engine. ISR makes a really good exhaust. We're going to go ahead and pull one of these out. You're going to obviously have both, one for each side. These are high ground clearance headers, and what that means is they are designed to not drag down to the ground like some other headers for the VQ engine, where they may collide with the ground and cause holes and that sort of thing on lowered modified cars. These, you're not going to have that problem. They have a very nice design that's going to keep them off of the ground and in your engine bay. They also have a nice 304 brushed stainless construction here, and they have nice heavy duty flanges on them. You can see just how thick those flanges are. These are going to do a great job at adding some power up top in the higher RPM range. A lot of exhaust can raise your high-end power but lower your mid and low-end torque. So these are actually going to help retain that low and mid-range torque, but they're going to add that additional top-end power. So the VQ engine obviously has a great top end, and these are going to contribute to that. You can also see you're going to have 202 bungs there and your ISR stamp. Take a look inside there. They did a really good job grinding down all of the welds to get that nice smooth center bore. Also have a really clean connector here in the center. They did a really good job welding all 3 of those pipes to the center connector to get them all to the same place. And this is just a really beautiful piece. I love the brushed stainless. I know they're going to be under the car for the most part. You won't see them a whole lot, but I really like the look of these. So they're going to sound great. And obviously you're going to get some hardware with this kit. You're going to get some grade 8 bolts and nuts to put the 2-piece flanges together, the 2-bolt flanges together, sorry. And we have our gaskets as well to go onto the head. So we're going to have everything we need in this box to put these things together. So the only thing you might need besides what's in the box is a can of WD-40 to get those rusty nuts off of the car. But besides that, everything else is going to be in here for you. So make sure you take advantage of the Black Friday deals and get yourself a nice sounding exhaust.